G'day guys, it's Jason here. Today I'm joined by our new practitioner, Tash.
Hello.
Yeah, so Tash and I actually went to uni together, so we were chatting the other day. We've actually known each other for 10 years now, so that's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah,
It's huge.
been a wild ride, but no, glad you finally jumped over and started working for MMT.
So am I. Very happy.
Yeah, tell us a bit about yourself. What are your interests?
So I love sport. I love being active and physical. I like to play basketball, and I just like to keep variety in my activity as well. So, you know, kicking a footy or shooting hoops or going for a run. So yeah, just keeping it interesting and not always doing the same thing. I also like to cook and eat. I like to hang out with mates, hang out with family. Watching sports as well. And go the Pies.
Yeah, don't listen to her. So going back to your health, you've changed your diet recently, or about a year ago, or?
That's right. Yeah, it's been getting close to 2 years now. The boyfriend and I started doing a pescatarian diet. Shut up. Pescatarian diet. So, we cut out a lot of meats, and we are eating much cleaner and healthier. We felt really good. Our bodies have felt
a lot cleaner through everything.
Exactly. Yeah. So feeling a lot more fresh and healthy. It's helped us, mood and energy. Yeah, it's been a good change.
Yeah, cool. And tell us a bit about your family history. Where do you come from? What's your background?
I am Melbourne born. Parents are both Mauritian. And been living in Melbourne my whole life, so always been in the southeast suburbs, and went to school in Bayside, and just love Melbourne. Really, cool. Good spot to be.
Yeah, and what have you previously worked in? What industries you've previously worked at? Sporting clubs and through other clinics.
Yeah, that's right. So I've done a bit of work. Always worked at a clinic while I've been at different sporting clubs. So I've worked with AFL and with rugby, union and league, and
all top level.
Yeah, with Richmond Football Club and Storm and the Rebels, and then done some work with cricket too, and recently with the tennis. So at the Oz Open, so that was cool.
So experience working with high level athletes.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, love that. So it's all interesting, and then clinic stuff on the side, and again, lots of variety. That's always good. Yeah,
and what drew you to come over to start working with MMT, other than my good self? What else brought you over?
Number one, Jason.
That's what it's all about.
So, I just, once I started looking into MMT and seeing what you guys are all about, guys and girls.
Yeah, we've finally got some more girls on board, so we've balanced that testosterone level out, so better late than never.
So once I saw that, I just kind of was enticed straight away. Like, the passion that the team have is really nice. Everyone's just healthy, fit, active. Just
living the lifestyle, aren't we? Just doing what we preach.
Exactly. Yeah. And I like that. So I feel like that's what I want to do, and that's what I do for myself to a degree already. So I enjoy not just working here, but being amongst the physical side of it, like joining lift clubs or doing some sprints and all that. It just feels like you guys are on the same wavelength as me with what I want to do, helping people, fixing people. It's a good environment, and you could see that through all the videos and everything you guys put out there. Yeah, everyone
really gets along, and the group training session's always good, learning off each other, but training together both physically and working at bettering ourselves as practitioners as well. So it's all a good part of it, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah, we'll have to get you in a workout video we was just talking about.
Yeah, so, that'd be cool. Yeah, love a workout.
Get you in some treatment ones as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
So keep an eye out for Tash. She'll be doing some treatment soon. She's already working for us, so book in and she'll fix you up for sure. Yeah.
See you soon.
Thanks, guys. Hey guys, it's Jason here. I'm joined by our new practitioner, Tash. How you going?
Good. Yeah, you?
Yeah, really good. We'll have another crack at that.